There are a couple of different ways in which you can charge for Thrive Apprentice courses. Thrive Apprentice integrates with a variety of third-party checkout systems. Each of them connects in a seamless manner in its own way. But the most popular option that customers decide to go with is using our native Stripe integration. If you head over to your product settings under Access Requirements, you'll find an option to connect your product to Stripe. With the click of a button, you will be able to sign into your Stripe account and connect your Thrive Apprentice product. You will then be able to dynamically link your Thrive Architect buttons on your sales page with your Thrive Apprentice products, and when clicking on them, they will automatically open up your Stripe checkout form.